everybody, it's Bakisa and welcome back to the Canva Cafe. It's just going to be a quick tutorial on a few new Canva features. The first one is going to be the magic grab, which I find very useful. If you have a photo and you want to reposition your image, all you have to do is select your photo, go on over up to the edit photos and select magic grab, and when you click it, it will detach the image from the background. Then you're free to move it and reposition it on another spot on your page. And don't forget to reapply a shadow effect so that it'll still be realistic. And that's what I did also. Once I detached the image and I just slid her over. As you can see, you can move her wherever you want. And if you hear noise in the background, my daughter apparently does not know I am doing this voiceover for you guys. Okay. So I decided to flip her facing the other direction, which is so amazing that you can do that. And now I'm just going to add a drop shadow so that there's a shadow so it could be looking realistic like it was before. What? Why this girl just... Like I said, pardon me, this is the only time I have to do this voiceover because you know I gotta go to those people show. Okay. So just that simple, and just reposition it, and yeah. You also could do that if you have somebody miscellaneous, photobombing you. You can, cut them and just throw them away. So now we are getting ready to do the magic morph, and this is where you apply a texture to an image, not an image, but a text or certain elements. Not all elements are available right now, so you'll find this over in your apps. And I typed the word, which is sale, and I used for a description I believe silver, but the silver wasn't giving. It didn't look right. All of this is a little trial and error, so don't be afraid to try different words. I'll continue to research other words that are really, that'll be really amazing for your text and things like that. So as I figure out some, I will of course come back and let you know. So now we're gonna go back to the drawing board, and I'm gonna change it out and write gold color. Don't judge me, but I couldn't remember how to spell color. And I kept wondering why it wouldn't work, but you have to select what you're doing. So I left this in here for y'all to see that I just couldn't figure out what I was doing wrong. And then I went back over and selected the word, and of course it allowed me to do it. So apparently on a thinner font, the images isn't as pretty. So I selected a thicker font, and as you can see, that gold really is golding, and then to make it of course really more realistic, you have to add like a little bling because gold blings. And I end up changing out this particular flare that I picked. I just grabbed something really quick for this tutorial. And here I'm just trying different blings just to show y'all, how to add it to, give it that effect. And now we're going to try an element, and we're going to use this shopping bag. And I only changed the color because it was black and I couldn't see where I had it. You don't have to. And now we're going to go over to the magic morph over in the apps and just click open. And once again, just type what effect you want it to have. I tried gold gradient, diamond effect. You can just pick different things, that you want to try. You can do balloon, gold balloon, pink balloon, and it'll make it a little bit more puffy. And here it gives you a few options. And if you don't like any of them, you can regenerate it or hit the back button right below that purple design thing, and you can change up your description. And once again, I'm just adding the little bling just to make it more realistic. And what you could do, you can make them on individual papers. I mean, you know, pages, and then you can download them and save them with a transparent background. That way you have them to add to your other images, so you don't always have to go and make more. Like if you use the word sale a lot, you can save it with a transparent background with all the bling and stuff attached and just upload it into Canva, and then you'll have it to use on any of your flyers and things like that. And this one is the diamond effect. I just was playing around to see what all Canva could do. And of course you have to add the little bling to make it really look diamondy. And if you're enjoying this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share so YouTube knows that you really love it here. And I appreciate all the support. And don't forget to comment down below any other tutorials you want. And I am trying to keep up with this Halloween series. I will have a full playlist. Thank you for watching and all your support. Bye.